Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, we are going to see how we can use the search generative experience, the new way of searching with Google, and it's now rolled out for testing in the US. And I'll show you at the end how you can get access to this. So this is the welcome mail that I got from Google, and to get started, let's just click on the Get Started button. And it will take you to this page where we can actually select from three options. I'm just enabling this new search generative experience. You just need to toggle that button, and if you want like coding tips in the search experience itself, you can enable this. So I'm just clicking on the learn more button to just see if we can find any additional information. It's just the UI of how it looks, and from here you can just enable and just accept the user agreement and just click on I agree, and that's how you enable this code experience. And if you click on the examples, you can see JavaScript check if a key exists. So it's generating the code for it. I'm not a coder myself, so I'm not sure how this works. So this is just the example, and I just want to show you how this will look like. Let's check for some more examples, and this time we will see how to add two numbers using C++. And let's just wait for some few seconds, and the result is just loaded right there itself. So let's just test one more. Let's change that to Java and see if it works. And as you can see, it's loading, and the code is now changed to Java. So this is a small neat feature that we can now experience once it's rolled out. This is the new add to sheet feature. You can just enable it, and it's searching for the query underrated summer travel ideas. So these are the options that it gives us. When you click on it, it's just the image that's getting loaded at the right side. So you can just close the option, and you also have the related queries that we can ask, and also the feedback button, just like we have in other AI models. So yeah, if we like it, when we can just like that experience, and if you want to expand, you can also just click that show more button, and it expand the whole list of like underrated summer travel ideas. So if we want to add a follow-up question, you can just click on that button, and here you will get that. Let's just ask a follow-up query. Out of this, where can I travel for the least budget? So let's just see how it will respond, and let's just click on enter, and it's now generating the response. As you can see, there is like a reddish color right now, and the results are like Cuba, Thailand, Laos, and Portugal, and Czech Republic. And here are some additional traveling tips on a budget. Use Indian Railway for the long distance travel. So they are not mentioning like India, but the travel tip is to like actually use Indian Railway for long distance travel. So we actually cannot trust those results as of now. As you can see, there are some issues, which is really understandable because it's still in the testing phase. Hopefully it will get better with more people giving the feedbacks, and that's where you can add the results to the spreadsheet. And if you click on create a spreadsheet, you can just start creating a new spreadsheet just for this, and just give it a name. For this example, we can just give it a travel spreadsheet. So let's just create there itself, and the new spreadsheet is created. And once you click that again, and the travel is selected, and just click on done, and as you can see at the bottom, this link is added to that spreadsheet. So it's really helpful if you are planning with your friends, and if you want to share all the plans with your friends or colleagues or family. This is an easy way to share these files with your friends. So this new experience makes sharing the plans much easier. So that's how it looks. It will just add the link there. Now let's test with another query, and how to explain chess strategy to a 6-year-old. So it's taking this much real estate from the first search results. So this is how it looks, and you can also expand the cards and see from what all sides these results they are fetching from. And as you can see, so you stand a good chance of getting into this search AI generated experience if you are ranked on the first page. That's what I can understand from this search results. All of these are on the top page. So if you are ranking on the first page, or you are already in the featured snippet, you have a better chance of ranking in the AI area. And as you can see, all of these results are coming from the first search page. So the chess.com and brainbox, that's the first featured snippets that's there. So the results is directly coming from that. And for chess.com and indieonline.com, let's just see if it's on the first page. As you can see, it's not there. So yeah, sometimes you get results from the second or third page as well. So most of the time it's from the first page. So being on the first page gives you this extra visibility now through AI. So that's what this test proves. And once you are on the home page of Google, now you can expand this also. There are like different queries that you can ask, and that's the refresh button, and that will give us different ideas of how to interact with the AI. And these are some of the queries. So if we ask how to make flowers last longer, so this is the list. So it's taking like 3 results from USA Today, Green Fresh, and Pro Flowers, and a lot of other sites. So it's not constrained to the first 3 results. Depending on the query, it takes up more websites and give us like an output. So if we expand, we can see all those sites that's contributing to this AI answer. As you can see, lot many sites are there. So definitely from this we can say for sure that being on the first page gives us like more than 80% or 90% chance of getting featured in this AA section here. So even though the old search results are pushed back, you get like a new opportunity to be on the first section above the fold for the organic results. So that's something new. But the one thing that I really don't like is like when you get the AI answer, it's not hyperlinked like in the Bing chat. So I thought AI answers are will be like hyperlinked, but this is giving like with an image and like a small card, so the visibility is much better. So it's your personal preference whether you like the hyperlink way or like this card way. So if you want to ask more questions, you can just click on that converse button, and it will just take us to this ask a follow-up section, where you can always add the follow-up questions. And if you want to go back, you can just click on the search. Now let's ask the most infamous question, which came first, chicken or egg? Hopefully the new search experience will have the answer for it. It says that egg came first, so that's still controversial, but as you can see, it's just directly fetching from that results below, and it's not making it up by itself. So it's just organizing the search results with the help of AI. So it's just understandable. There may be different viewpoints, so it's not the topic related to what we are discussing right now. So let's just move on. And as you can see, you also get that share button share button next to the results, and you have that icon for spreadsheet. Let's just click and see how the share looks. And you have Facebook, Twitter, and you will also get a link that you can directly share with your friends. So that's the new share feature, and you can also save it your favorites. Once you click on it, you can see that it's saved to their collections. So that's all about sharing. And if you want to turn on or off some features, you can just click on that lab icon there, and here you can directly access or turn off the new features that you like. So that's how you control and customize things. After playing around this file, I am really not sure what's the point of having different colors for different queries. So I am just searching that on Google, and I just found something, and it says that the color of the generative AI answer box will change to reflect specific journey types and the query intent itself. So it's suggesting that it's based on the intent of the query. I'm not sure, but I will ask one more question, like, can you suggest a gaming laptop under $1,000? So this is more like a transactional query, which is what Google likes because it involves money. So it gave me some results. So let's dig in deep, and let's ask, I need minimum 16 GB RAM. What are my options? So let's see if it can find out the 16 GB RAM options. That's under $1,000. So as you can see, even though it's a transactional type of a query and the color is still bluish kind of thing. So now we are getting links. So we are getting options. If you click on that link, you will get on the right side the more in-depth details from where you can purchase and the installed memory types. And as you can see, it's sticking with the query like it's 16 GB. And here, but this MSI GF63 is above $1,000. So the filtering option is not that great. Still, we are getting 16 GB and above RAM options. So that's something that you need to keep in mind. This is still not perfect. It's just in the early stages. So it's still making some errors. The best part of these type of queries, you get more information here, and the links are also present in the AI answer itself. So this will help enhance the shopping experience a bit. And let's see, what are some homemade remedies for cough? So let's see if the color changes there. Now it's in green color, so kind of greenish color. So it gave us some home remedies. So now let's just ask how to make money online and see if the color changes. And strangely, it's not triggering the AI. We are getting the usual results that we usually get. So not many, not all the questions trigger the AI response. So that's something that I learned now. So let's see, like, what's the time in India right now. Let's see if it triggers the AI response. No, it's still the featured snippet kind of a result. So from this experiment, we can say that, like, not every query is necessarily trigger the AI response. Let's check for something like how much is 1 kilo. So I expected it to be the results below that, but AI is kicking in for this one. It's equal to 1000 grams, so it's giving us more. Let's ask, why is water wet? So as you can see, the color is changing with the response. Maybe it's just random color, I'm not sure, but anybody who is watching knows what's the purpose of these colors. Please do comment in the comment section. So what is 1 plus 1? Let's see. So it's just showing the calculator. Now AI here. what is the stock price of Google. Let's see if it triggers the AI response. Still no AI, so even the stock response is not something that AI want to get involved in. So let's see if AI gets into pros and cons. So I'm just asking what are the pros and cons of Canva. So yeah, so AI can give us like the pros and cons from different websites, and it's giving us a neat list of the pros and cons. So let's dig in deep and see if we can find out the pricing of Canva for yearly. Let's see if it can get that right. As you can see, it's generating the response, and it's saying that it cost around $119, $119 per year for Canva. Let's just go to the Canva's website itself and see if that's information is correct. Let's just verify it. And as you can see, it's 119, so AI is correct. So I know there are like hundreds of more queries that you like to actually test. So yeah, it's easy for you to actually do the testing yourself if you know how to find and sign up for this. You can go to this website lab.withgoogle.com and you can just join the wait list and just click on join wait list and enter your email there. So I have already signed up, so that's why. So it's only available in the US, and if you want to get access, you can just use like a VPN like this and set it to the United States. And once it's connected, and just click on join waiting list, you will see that you can also sign up for this and do the testing yourself. I hope you liked the effort that I put into making this video. I have covered as much as I can. So if you liked it, please do like, share and subscribe for more future videos like this. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.